educated as well as sensitized. They will be sensitized about NEP 2020. And you all know very well what is NEP 2020. It is New Education or National Education Policy. It is a new policy being implemented in the whole education system from KG to PG level all. So that's why the college is taking this step for implementation as well as sensitization. Now we formally start the inauguration session, and for felicitating the head of the institute and our principal ma'am, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am, I very humbly call upon Professor Mishramkar SD to felicitate her. You can accept this program on behalf of NEP 2020 implementation cell as well as internal quality assurance cell IQC. This program is being held on behalf of very much. This is the culture of our college, that those who participate in such quality programs, they all are appreciated, and this tradition is especially emphasized by our principal ma'am, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am. She says that whoever helps us, we should appreciate them by whatever means or manner. Okay, in the same way we have different HODs and faculty members with us, but because of the shortage of time, we could not felicitate her only. That's why I seek the pardon, and we utilize our time. So now we move towards the aims and objectives of this program, NEP 2020 implementation and sensitization program. And for aims and objectives of this program, I call upon Dr. Muhammad Ismail Muhammad Ibrahim sir to share aims and objectives.
Dear students, good morning. As I will not take much more time on aims and objective, as you better know that NEP 2020 has launched in the last year from last year 2024-25, the first academic year for NEP 2020 higher education institution. And the Government of India has launched this policy in July 2020. So it's about 5 years, right now? The government has launched the NEP 2020 policy. So with the aim of for creating awareness among the students, for the intermediate level students, all the hidden facts about the NEP 2020.
Conduct your session.
Assalamualaikum. Honorable dignitaries in the dais, honorable organizers of one-day workshop, NEP 2020 implementation and sensitization program, well organized by NEP implementation cell in collaboration with internal quality assurance cell. First of all, I would like to congratulate both of them, because yesterday we enjoyed food and holiday, but you two were working very honestly. Then it's a pride moment for me that I have such type of team leaders. They are, as I told you, we all are officers, and officer kaisa hota hai? All the time they are on duty. That's why yesterday Sunday was there, but they were busy in preparing the banner and all formalities they have done. Then I congratulate both of them for organizing such type of historic event in J.A.T. It's the initiative taken by Government of India to sensitize to make orientation, awareness to all the stakeholders in the country about National Education Policy 2020. As you know, the stakeholders means they are the pillars of higher education. What is going on, girls? If you want to love, then go outside. Better to do that activity there. We are not joking. We are delivering information. Knowledge sharing is there. If you don't want to sit, then better to go. Dear students, as I shared, it is the great initiative of Government of India to launch such type of workshops to give information and knowledge to all the stakeholders. And you know better, the stakeholders are the pillars of higher education system. Stakeholders means we will go from bottom to top. You are the first one. Am I right, Professor Malegaon? You are the center and focal point of this higher education system. If you are there, then everything is there. If you are not there, nothing is there. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ ना, आप हो तो हम हैं, आप नहीं तो हम कुछ भी नहीं. बिकॉज स्टूडेंट है तो नहीं है, हम सब हैं. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? क्या आप क्लासरूम को पढ़ाएंगे? डेस्क को टीचिंग देंगे? किसको टीचिंग देना? टीचिंग देना है आप बच्चों को. तो टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस will be completed only and only when you will be present in the classroom and you have to enroll in the college or higher education system. So you are the first stakeholder. Then second, any cases? Who is the second one? Your parents, community. आप हो, बाद में पेरेंट्स आएंगे ना, वो भी हमारे स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं. वो नहीं रहेंगे तो टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस में आपको भेजेगा कौन? है कि नहीं? द ग्रेट मोटिवेटर, द रियल लाइफ हीरो एंड हीरोइन, दैट इज योर रोल मॉडल, योर मदर एंड फादर. Isn't it? Then second one is आपके parents and community. Then third one is teachers, headed by principal. We collectively on third stage, and at the top there is management. Am I right, Professor? I'm memorizing NEP. That's right. I'm trying. Am I right? Huh? Yeah. Recalling. Then we will see there are 4 pillars of our education. One is management. Second one is we all. Third one is you people or your father or community. And fourth one is you. Bottom to top, top to bottom, this is the hierarchy of our education system. And we all are necessary or compulsory to run the system very effectively. हाँ या नहीं है? सब है कि नहीं जरूरी? हर कोई जरूरी है. तो ये स्टेक होल्डर्स को अवेयरनेस करने के लिए ये ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है हमारी इंटरनल क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस सेल. Dear students, this is the single unit or window to control or monitor the quality education in our college. And I feel proud to say that we have such type of people in that cell, and under their guidance and leadership, we have completed NEP third cycle and we got our score B++ grade. That is the greatest achievement of our college, and its credit goes to these people. And I feel proud to be a principal of such type of college where such type of dedicated faculties are there. Dear students, कभी मौका रहा है कि इसी का कुछ प्रोग्राम रहा, मैं इनके contributions जरूर बताऊंगी कि किस तरह से घर बार छोड़ के, फैमिली छोड़ के हमारे स्टाफ, हमारी IQSC, हमारा नॉन टीचिंग, हमारा क्लरिकल स्टाफ सब कुछ यहाँ मौजूद रहे। रात को जो है 1 बज जाए 2 बज जाए कोई अपनी जगह से जाता नहीं था, बिकॉज सलमा मैडम बैठे है, कौन जाएंगे। दैट वाज द स्पिरिट। बट बेहतरीन कामों में कभी बताऊंगी आपको सक्सेस स्टोरी, बिकॉज इट इज शेयरिंग, वी शुड share with them, sir, because it's our sacrifice, devotion, services for our institute, for our community, for these girls, coming generation, है कि नहीं। तो हम करेंगे कभी तो भी। तो बहरहाल आज का ये प्रोग्राम जो इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। मैं ऐसा ही चाहती हूँ कि हमारे हर स्टाफ मेंबर्स, हर फैकल्टी मेंबर इस तरह की कोशिश करें कि अपने डिपार्टमेंट्स, कमिटीज की जानिब से ऐसी एक्टिविटीज अंजाम दें। एंड देयर आर सीरीज ऑफ लेक्चर्स और वर्कशॉप रिगार्डिंग NEP थ्रू आउट द ईयर। वी विल ऑर्गेनाइज our classes, FY and SY, and after that we will cover the faculty members, what is the role of faculty members in NEP. Then after that, inshallah, I will arrange one activity for management also. I will arrange one activity for their parents also, inshallah. Then that's why I told you right there stakeholders. Okay, thank you. अब मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ अपना लेक्चर। सुनना चाहोगे ना?